This is a 1966 Porsche 911 Targa prototype. The Targa is neither a cabriolet nor a coupe, neither a hard top nor a saloon, but something completely different. Something that not only makes it a Porsche, it makes it a special one.
Ja sai 50. Tegelikult väga lihtne. Siiski mu iga või äge.
So, welcome back. Today we take a look at the Targa 006 engine. It's the matching numbers engine. It has number 541 900 541. It's a 65-year engine, so it makes no sense basically. It's not a 60, which makes more an assumption that this car was made 65. If you take a look at the parts, we have heads are made in 64.5, 64.4, 64.4, 64.9, and 4 and 8. So they're always like a couple of months before the engine is made. Same with the block. We took it apart. We checked what was inside it. We had some doubts. How many horsepower? The car felt strong, so, and since it's an S car on the card exit, it stands S line on the card X, S Ausführung. We wanted to see if they have done something with the engine. We took some stuff apart here. We checked the pistons, we checked the distributors, the ports, the heads, the camshafts. Basically everything which is different against the S and the normal 911 65 engine. Well, surprise, surprise, everything is stock 65, which we could see in the dyno as well. Car felt strong, but the horsepower, it's not there. It's not an S in the engine, which is very interesting since the gearbox is S numbered. So maybe they changed it, I don't know. Well, that's the way it is. We're not gonna change it. This is the matching number engine to this car. So engine was in good shape. It was refurbished 10 years ago in Sweden by our friends in Paris Motor. What we're gonna do is we're gonna fix the oil leaks. We're gonna change some gaskets. We're gonna fix the visual appearance to this car. We're gonna change out the yellow zinc ones, they should be white. We're gonna do a surface treatment of all the fasteners, so it will be good. We're gonna paint it, all the plates, and we already fixed the new muffler, and that's it. We're gonna take a look at the funny carburetors. Funny carburetors are also, they're from 65. They're only the early 60, 64, 65s. I think they were changed in 66, first month in January. Had the Solexes. These are a problem. Everybody had trouble with the Solexes. We have our own way to fix them. We fixed the shaft. We machined the shafts, put O-rings in the shafts so they are not leaking. You're gonna get nice idle on this, just like from the factory. Fixing the sink again, like the appearance of all this stuff. And that's it, put them together. In the next episode we're gonna take a look at the engine when it's done. When it's done, maybe we can do a video when we marry it into the car as well. That's it. Keep on Porscheing. First media blast of Targa number 6. Check his baby. It's winter outside. Snow everywhere, -degrees. But in the workshop it's nice and cozy and looking at new challenges.